In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a survey on monday.com. First, log in to your monday.com account and open the board where you want to collect survey responses. At the top of the board, click Add View and select Form. Monday.com will automatically create a form based on the columns in your board. Review the form fields and remove any columns you don't want respondents to see. Customize the survey by editing field names, adding descriptions, and marking important questions as required. Add a survey title and a short introduction to explain the purpose of the survey. Once you are happy with the layout, click Share Form in the top right corner. Copy the public link and send it to your respondents, or use the embed code to add the survey to your website. As people submit responses, each submission will automatically appear as a new item on your monday.com board. You can review responses directly from the board and use charts or dashboards to analyze the results. That's it. You've successfully created a survey on monday.com. Thanks for watching.